homemade do-it-yourself swap from a column shift to floor shift on an automatic 88 S10 with 4.3. Maybe it'll work. All it is a little shifter off of a lawnmower handle, adjustable line tensioner, and hopefully it'll work. Maybe if I do it right, I can hook it up under the bottom and drill a hole in the floor, put that to the mount on the transmission, little shift rod, and when it's all said and done, have me a little piece of metal over the top with a slit cut out in it with drive part, all that on it, with a spring to where you can pull it back, put it in the gear you need, and have tension on it where it don't come out of gear. Other than that, keep watching, tuned in. We'll show you how it works.